Airplane today. Alright, it's day 17. Oh man, I can't believe it's been 17 days already. Well, yesterday's was a total nightmare. Today's is going to be a dream. So we have D'Artagnan. I need to remember these names for when I finally put the titles in. Anyway, so fold in half. We start with this. And we fold in half, making sure this time that they line up perfectly. And they don't want to line up perfectly. They want to curve and all kinds of crap. And then we unfold. The next step, fold both top corners inward to the center crease. I don't know which direction it is. It's probably going to be... No, I think I'm doing it right. Alright, there we go. And maybe I folded too much. Make sure that lines up to the center crease. Over the center crease. Okay, there we go. Something like so. Alright, and then mount fold the top point downward. So this is mounting folding. Alright, after that, the dotted line marks the hip flat. Fold both top corners downward. Alright, doing it like so, and folding this like so. And then next up we fold along the sloping edges to crease to form the wings to then fold. Like so. I'm happy that these are very simple, because otherwise I'd be here all day trying to make this fold, and I do not. Then again, as usual, I do not have time. And then unfold. And then manifold the bottom in half. And that's basically it. With that, we've made the D'Artagnan, and it actually looks like the picture on the map. Whee! Alright, that has been Airplane a Day. Tomorrow's plane might be even more complicated. We don't know. But hopefully I have more time to record more tomorrow anyways. So, thank you for watching as always. And stay flighty, my friends.